Hello there, just watched the movie The Pod Generation, and this is a PG-13 movie from 2023. It says, living in the not-so-distant future, a New York couple takes a wild ride to parenthood after landing a coveted spot at the Womb Center, which offers couples a convenient and shareable pregnancy by way of detachable artificial wombs or pods. This movie is classified as a comedy romance. I could see the romance part, but I really didn't understand where the comedy was in it. Maybe it was comedy that just was over my head, which is certainly a possibility. It was an hour and 41 minutes, which I thought it could have been done in a shorter amount of time. I was hoping for like something really unexpected to happen. Especially at the end, but really there was no big surprises or really big twists or turns. Everything kind of is predictable, and the pace of the movie is a fairly slow-paced movie. Yeah. I would say I would give this movie a 2 out of 5 stars. It's not one that I would ever think to watch again. And honestly, I mean, unless you really are just interested in the idea of this movie and what they would do with it, I'd say this is probably one you can skip. If you've seen The Pod Generation, let me know what your thoughts. Maybe you really enjoyed it. If you did, let me know what you liked about it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see if I can find a link to this. If I can, I'll link it below. And I will see you in the next video.